It's always better when you're narrating to be standing. But if you find it more comfortable, or if by necessity you need to be seated, you can still follow the basic procedure for correct posture. So just find a chair and sit comfortably. Let's start from the bottom. Make sure that one foot is slightly in front of the other, and the weight is slightly forward on the balls of both feet. Because you're seated, the knees will already be unlocked. The lower torso has to remain exactly as it is, but with your upper torso you can still have it in a slightly lifted position, with your hands and arms held loosely by your sides and the shoulders slightly back. This will help enormously. It's so important for your breathing to be easy and free. When our bodies become nervous or tired or end up in a fight or flight situation, what happens in the larynx is the vestibular or false vocal fold closes down on top of the true folds to protect the true fold, to protect the larynx and protect the lungs. This can cause havoc. The whole area becomes constricted and our voices can sound quite loopy and quite weird. This can be remedied with a simple exercise. We use the word K-E-E, but instead of it being voiced, it's breathed. So voice switched off. Try it with me. 2 more. Last one. Now with practice, you should be able to retract that false vocal fold without actually making the sound at all. And it looks as though you're smiling. I'm retracting quite heavily at the moment, and with practice you'll be able to do it as well. Let's bring the true folds now back to midline with a second exercise. And it sounds and looks like this. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. 2 more. Try it with me. Do, 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 do. Last one. Do, 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 do. Let's try it in a group of 7. Do, 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 do. And again. Do, 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 do. It's a very deep sound. So it's not do, 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 do. In the higher pitch range, it's deeper, a bit like a bass drum. Do, 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 do. Down in that lower level of your voice. Take a good breath. Let's do another 2 groups of 7. And do, 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 do. And again, do, 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 do. And retract. Last one. Breathing. We're going to focus today on a breathing that is wonderful for narration because it helps us breathe silently. It's called costal breathing, and it involves the intercostal muscles which sit in pairs in between the ribs. To access them, backs of the hands just under the armpits, and you're going to use a count of 3. So exhale and push the ribs in hard. And breathe in. 2, 3. Release. 2, 3. Breathe in. 2, 3. Release. 2, 3. Breathe in. 2, 3. Release. 2. Last round. Breathe in. 2, 3. Release. 2, 3. What you're aiming for is to keep the breath pressure even and to force your hands to move out by lifting those ribs. By exercising those muscles, we can become quite skilled at breathing very silently, but a little bit more of that later on. Articulation. Let's use one of my favorites, wobbly wallaby. We have 6 articulators. The lips, the teeth, the tongue in 3 sections, the hard palate, the soft palate, and the lower jaw. Each of these articulators needs to be warmed up. It needs to be well exercised if it's going to support what we're doing with our narration. With wobbly wallaby, we're using the lips and the tongue specifically. Let's try it. We'll do it slowly first. Take a good breath and wobbly wallaby, wobbly wallaby, wobbly wallaby, wobbly wallaby. And backwards. Wallaby, wobbly, wallaby, wobbly, wallaby, wobbly, wallaby, wobbly. And let's start it very slowly and speed it up. Take a good breath and wobbly wallaby, 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 wobbly wallaby. And now with an obstruction. Tip of the finger between the teeth. Breathe in. Wobbly wallaby, wobbly wallaby, wobbly wallaby, wobbly wallaby. You could really feel those inner articulators wrapping themselves around those consonants. Modulation and inflection. I recommend borrowing or hiring a talking book from your local library and listening to the reading of that book. You'll pick up a wealth of knowledge from the way the narrator uses their pitch, their pauses, their pace, their fast and their slow, and their volume. Their phrasing also will be quite clear. And it's interesting to note as you journey on your way to find out how best you can narrate and what sits comfortably with you by listening to other people, finding their space and being comfortable with their narration and their speaking.